Even with careful design, vision glass and acid-etched glass can create crippling glare, uncomfortable hotspots, and excessive solar heat gain. To cope, blinds are often put down and left down 60% of the time, cutting off the connection to nature and negatively impacting the aesthetics of the building, inside and out. But now there's a solution that's simple to install and delivers immediate and lasting results. Introducing Solera Glare Repair. Here's how it works. This application is a vinyl window, but of course Solera GR is even simpler on aluminum frames. In this case, Glaziers will remove the glass stop on the vinyl frame. For aluminum frames, Solera GR is placed directly on the glass, whether it's vision or acid etched. A fine bead of silicone will be added, and an aluminum glass stop will be placed and secured directly into the framing. See the transformation from glaring, inefficient, uncomfortable spaces to welcoming, energy-efficient environments that preserve the aesthetics of your building inside and out. Glaziers, Solera GR is your new go-to. It's quick to install, reduces labor costs, and solves your clients' toughest issues. Owners, take the heat off, literally, and eliminate glare headaches while keeping your spaces beautiful and connected. Let's get started. Send us a message today and let Solera Glare Repair transform your spaces. Visit us at advancedglazings.com.